Hello, I am Dr. Diallo, an academic coach and a test prep expert with Study.com. Are you currently preparing to take the FTCE Family and Consumer Science 6 through 12 assessment with testing code 052? This assessment covers the subtopic of knowledge of decision making and problem solving. I'm excited to share with you many test-taking strategies and walk you through some sample test questions to provide you with suggestions and pointers to assist you on testing day. Let's take a look at sample problem number 1. What is one way a person can improve their decision-making skills? A. Involve experts to help with your decision-making. B. Let other people take charge of their own decisions. C. Only focus on the merits of your decision and not the drawbacks. Or D. Do not set a deadline. That way you have plenty of time to think about it. Keywords within the question, we want to make sure we understand that we're thinking about ways that we can improve our decision-making skills. Well, it helps to ask experts about any decision a person may make because the experts are better founded in those particular decisions. A person would want to set deadlines for better time management, focus on both the pros and cons of their decision, and finally want to take control of whatever decision that they make. Letting others take charge of their decisions, only focusing on the merits of your decision and not the drawbacks, not setting deadlines, these are not effective decision-making skills. Therefore, answer choice A, involve experts to help you with your decision-making, is the correct answer choice. A single mother and her teenage daughter encourage each other. The daughter is responsible for preparing meals and making food-related decisions, while the mother is responsible for the house cleaning and all decisions associated with this. Which type of communication approach is used? A. Unbalanced split. B. Equitable. C. Monopolized. Or D. Balanced split. So keywords within the question, we have a single mother and her daughter. They encourage each other and they split the different activities. So the daughter prepares meals and makes the food-related decisions, while the mother is responsible for the house cleaning and all decisions associated with this. What type of communication is being used here? Well, a balanced split concerning communication in relation to decision-making occurs when each person is responsible for certain decisions. Thus, those within the family have ownership over decisions concerning certain things that are taking place within the household. Unbalanced split, equitable, and monopolized are not the correct answer choices described in this scenario with a single mother. So D, the balanced split, is the type of communication approach being used in this scenario. Carlos is looking to purchase an external microphone to use for recording higher quality sound along with his videos. He has a couple of options to choose from and begins to compare their specifications, price, color, and how they could meet his needs. Which step of the consumer decision-making process is Carlos currently in? A. Problem recognition. B. Information search. C. Evaluation of alternatives. Or D. Product choice. So we notice that Carlos is looking to make a purchase of a microphone. He's wanting something that has higher quality sound, but he's looking at a few different options to compare, which is our keyword we're looking at here. We're comparing them based on several factors. Which of the following choices are consumer decision-making processes? Which one is Carlos using? Well, since Carlos seems to have already narrowed down his microphone choices based on the specific need he is already through the problem recognition and information search step in the consumer decision-making process. Carlos is now comparing the specifications, colors, and prices of different microphones in order to decide which one is right for him. This step in the process is known as evaluation of alternatives, which is the correct answer choice. Carlos is not at the product choice step yet, as he has not chosen a microphone. He is still comparing his options or evaluating his alternatives. Therefore, C is the correct answer choice. Which of these would be an example of a top-down decision when deciding what this family should eat for dinner? A. What is everyone feeling for dinner tonight? B. Since I know you guys are tired of having pizza, your father and I will let you decide what to order. C. Your father and I have reached a decision, and we have decided to order pizza tonight. D. Let's all discuss as a family what to order for tonight. Keywords in this question, we want to know an example of a top-down decision. Well, a top-down decision involves the people who are in power or authority, in this case the parents, making the decision that is final. The other options involve compromise or input from the children, so only answer choice C is correct. Your father and I have reached a decision, and we have decided to order pizza tonight. So how do you think you did? Did you find that video to be helpful? I sure hope so. For more practice, check out our FTCE Family and Consumer Science 6 through 12 052 playlist. And for even more detailed practice, strategies, and customizable study materials, head on over to study.com and check out our FTCE Family and Consumer Science 6 through 12 test prep course. Those who use study.com resources have at least a 92% passing rate. Our courses include full-length exams, hundreds of practice problems, and short targeted video lessons specifically developed based on the latest test updates. With our resources, you'll know exactly what to expect on test day. Like this video and subscribe to this channel to get all of the latest FTCE testing updates. And please leave your questions and your success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy studying.